Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to lock screen on Apple Watch. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. There are two ways to do this. The first approach is, go ahead, press the side button to open the control center. On the control center, scroll down, locate the water eject icon and click on it. And then you see your lock screen or your iPhone screen locked. You'll not be able to exit the lock screen. Now to exit it, all you need to do is press the crown once, then press and hold crown to turn off water lock. So then hang on to off the water lock. That's one way to lock your Apple Watch. Alternatively, go to your Apple Watch settings. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on display and brightness. Under display and brightness, locate and click on always on. If always on is on, go ahead and disable always on, and then you're good. So that's exactly how to lock screen on Apple Watch. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.